Yeah, it's a big wig.
Social. You know, it's just clean. Clean. Still blood in here?
Stop me. Fuck these hoes, they not me. Got them on my dick, I'm cocky. 50 bands on ice, new mouthpiece. Pull up in a new big body. Push start, don't need.
Hey, I'm back to the Blast channel. My mama had, I'm getting ready to work because I'm about to do it right now. I'm about to make some chicken with corn and gravy. No, I gotta redo my braces now because the whole thing broke. So I gotta redo them done. You got to see one?
Wow, look how big this is. It's a big wig. It's a big wig.
Then you wanna wash your hands. Listen. Yeah, see, it's boiling the nasty stuff off. Okay, so yeah, so listen up. I can do it now. There's still blood in here. I wanna read these. There's still blood in here. Yeah, I'm about to reward it. I can't do that. These are vegetables. Now we're gonna see how this chicken is. How small is it? If it got smaller, put it cross contamination. You dig your butter knife, you put it in the butter, and then you put it on the vegetables. And then you dig the butter knife that you just put onto the vegetables back into the butter knife to get more butter. That's cross contamination because that's nasty. You put in the food that you just touched with that. And then I got the little food stuff, like the little broccoli particles, whatever, on the knife. And now you putting it in the butter. That's nasty. Instead of just you rinsing the knife off, and then putting it in the butter. You know, it's just clean. But see, these two chicken wings, they ain't had no more blood in there. I don't know what was wrong with that fat ass one. I just don't know. It just kept having blood. So now what I'm gonna do is clean these with them. Alright, I'm gonna throw out some hands. So now, thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for watching this video. Thank y'all for liking, commenting, and sharing. And if you're not commenting, liking, and sharing, please hit that comment, like, and share button. Thank you. This is Cooking with LilBlossss. So I hope y'all enjoy what y'all watch. Yes. Okay, well, I'll show y'all the finishing. But y'all can't like, y'all can't use it. Because that chicken is still gonna taste good. I'm trying to make sure y'all can see. So that's the outcome of my video. And I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget. to hit that like button. Period. Show me some love. Show me some comments. Come on, let's interact. Let's be cool. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed it. And don't forget to pray and stay being humble and don't forget to pray. Praying is the number one thing. You gotta pray. So don't forget to pray. And I'll see you later. Bye.
I'm at work right now, but I wanted to give y'all an update. I didn't even have to eat that chicken. What I had made earlier, I didn't even have to eat it because my cousin had brought me some checkers. I'm probably still gonna eat it, but it's probably gonna be like later. So yeah, I just wanted to tell y'all that. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope y'all having a good day. And stay tuned for more videos. Peace out, y'all.
I'm cocky, 50 bands on ice, new mouth. Peace pull up in a new big body.